Hi guys, so the second part of this is, let's say you have a mixed number. So here you have negative 3, 15, 44. Right off the bat, this is the whole number. I can go ahead and just write this down and add the decimal. This part is the fraction part. So all you have to do in your answer column is put negative 3 and then wait for it because I have to divide. And you put that decimal, and you literally start dividing. Whatever answer you get here, boom, that goes in the back of the whole number. So everything's the same. The whole number is the one that's in front. The pieces, the fraction, is the decimal part. Okay? So for this answer, I'm dividing, and I have 44 does not go into 15, but it goes into 150, doesn't it? How many times does it go into 150?
Twice.
Twice? Well, let's try it. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 4 is 8. Well, if we go up 44 times 3, you always want to make sure you double check it, right? 3 times 4 is
12.
132. Is that closer?
Yes.
Yeah, do you think we could get a little bit closer, or do you think it's going to go over?
It's going to go over.
Yeah, it's going to go over to 16. So we're going to try 3. And when you subtract this, already you know that this 0.3 is coming up here. But I have to keep on trucking, right? So when I go to subtract, you get 18. Oh, I got to keep on trucking. 180. Well, we're going to go up higher, right? Because 3 didn't work there. So 176. That's going to be close, right? Let's try the 4. And then I go ahead and I subtract like I always do. Put a 0. And you keep going. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but this part, 0.34, goes back here. And I keep going until it starts to repeat, right? Or it terminates. But I'm going to keep on trucking because I still have to keep going with my division. Of course, I'm not going to be doing the whole thing because that'll take too long, but it'll start to repeat. It'll go 09090909, which I'm not, because obviously 44 does not go into 40, so you put 0, and you put another 1, and you keep on going. Afterwards, you'll start to notice it'll do this. So it would go 0.34, which went there, 09, 09 keeps repeating, and that's where I put the repetend bar on the 09. I'm not going to do the whole division because we're videotaping. What if we have an absolute value? Absolute value, do you guys remember that? Where you have
Yes.
4/13. It says evaluate the expression. Well, how far away is 4/13 from 0? That's all it's asking. How far away is it? It's 4/13 away from 0. Easy answer. It's not asking you to, it's just saying evaluate the expression. So basically, that's what you do. What if it was a negative 4/13? It's still asking you, how far away is this number from 0? And and distance is never negative, right? So the answer would be this, positive.
Is it the same thing, like if there's a whole number in front of the fraction?
Like if there was a 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be boom.
Okay.
2, 3. Yeah, if there's a whole number, it's everything. Goes there, but it's positive, because distance is not negative. Okay, and then the last thing, it might say, write each decimal as a fraction or mixed number in simplest form. So let's say they give you negative 3.8, and they're saying, hey, make this into a fraction or mixed number in simplest form. So if I have a negative 3.8, I have this. A negative 3 is my whole number, and I have to read this out loud. 8, what place does that fall in? Tenths. So it's 8 tenths. Now I just have to simplify it, and what do we divide this by? GCF should be 2, and you should get 3 and 4 fit negative, because there's a negative sign. Here it is. It said make the decimal into a fraction or mixed number, because that's a mixed number, in simplest form. Okay, so I didn't have to divide, but the instructions in your book on number 9 through 11 will tell you to do this.
Can you show us how to do it in a fraction form? Just in case we
This
want
is a
to.
fraction form.
I
Oh,
mean-
it's already a fraction? No, it's just saying put the decimal as a fraction, sorry.
Oh.
As a fraction, not the other way around. And that's it. So when